Alright, non-spiral, fair use, YouTube fair use. I am exerting my First Amendment right as freedom of press. This is for educational purposes only. I repeat, this is for educational purposes only. Alright, we're in Xingzhou, China, another chemical plant. And we're going to do some correlation, right? Because we know what's going on. We see what's going on. And hold up, man. And I had somebody come into my comic section, right? And say that the dark entities of destruction, these are demons. That is absolutely absurd. I respect your opinion. But you are sadly mistaken. If you think demons can do this, you are sadly mistaken. Alright, we're about saving lives over here. The Most High said, proclaim my mercy and my righteousness. What you're saying don't make sense, but that's my opinion. Why in the hell would demons blow up chemical plants that harm people? Would demons do that? No. They the ones that inhabit these vessels, right? And tell these people to make harmful chemicals. So see, your perspective is all wrong. Respectfully. Xingzhou, China. Another chemical plant. We see some strange things in the sky. I got another chemical plant in China coming right after this one. Y'all done let me on a tube. It's over. Would demons destroy chemical plants? No. Look at it. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. I didn't even see that. Man, we can't make this shit up. The plant is operated by Dragon Aromatics, one of the largest independent PX producers in China. Ladies and gentlemen, Xingzhou. And they been doing this shit, man. He blew it up. Good. You see that? You see that formation? Show you something. Y'all rock with me, man. We don't play a Drop Nation. You see that formation right there? That's attack formation. Now watch this. Alright, we're in Serbia. We're back in Serbia. This happened a few days ago. Y'all see that light? I'll run them back. I shouldn't even have to break this footage down. Y'all see them. And there's more around. They travel in packs when they attack. Matter of fact, let's get that. Yeah, let's get that. Let's get that. Yeah, we do that around here. We slow it down. Slow down. I just wanna get to see you. Y'all saw that, Dre. Y'all see that, Dre? Look at that. He up top. Watch him peek down. There you. There you. There you right there. Yeah. Talking about some damn demons. Bullshit. You see that light beam right there? Same thing. I tell you, man, y'all stop giving these people too much credit, man. That's what the Most High wants you to understand. He got control of this thing. They work for him. Stop with this scary shit, man. Stop with this fear shit. Now pay attention in the sky. You see that? Them four-legged, they ain't get attacked. That's attack formation right there. That's the same thing we saw on the last one I just showed. So we doing some contrasting, right? There's one to the right. Look to the right. They've been doing this, man. These are not demons, sweetheart. Just because they do destruction. Look at that. Attack formation. Watch him come down. Watch him come down. That's a dragon. Alright, for those of y'all new to the channel, this is Serbia. A few days ago. And these dracons, these dragons are lighting this damn building up. Straight up. That's what it is. If you look closer, you'll see them spitting. See that? See that? See that? Let me show y'all we don't play at Drop Nation. Nah, we ain't playing with you. See that? You see that? They spit fire now. Smokeless fire. You see that? He shot about 3 of them out of his mouth. What time stamp that is? 43. Let go 42. Watch it when he zoom back in. You see that? Wow. Wow. Who running? Wow. Wow. So no, sweetheart, these are not demons. Shalom to the real ones. Drop Nation, let's go. Dracons in the ether. Fair use. Y'all need to stop with these chemical plants because on some of these news footages, it's saying these plants have been catching fire a couple of days later after the explosion. So apparently these dracons are going back. And they're trying to send y'all a message. Who run it? All praise to the Most High. Nah.